Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a Highline model. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will see two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirrors and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving the van on a busy road and also for cold winter months. Also, to this side of the van, you will see a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will see a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video around, you will notice that the back of the load area is clean and free from damage and fitted with factory fitted panels. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice a tailgate without window. As I move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This van is fitted with standard rear tail lights. It's also fitted with a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the tailgate. Looking at the load area again, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on Wood Ply-lining if you wanted to protect the panels. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner rear tailgate. This van is painted in a metallic paint, which is Reflex Silver. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. It's also fitted with 2 handy armrests on the driver's seat for added comfort on long journeys. This now has finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window switches. Here we have the auto headlamp switch. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 177 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you'll notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. Here we have an SD card reader, which you'll find here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. Next we have App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a Highline model. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate panel van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When talking to the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.